Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is entitled How to Use Twitter Bookmarks and Why You Should. Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. If you've not subscribed already, hi everyone. Today's subject matter, Twitter bookmarks. Let's leave my YouTube homepage and go to Twitter. So here I am logged into Twitter, and you can see I've highlighted a tweet from LinkedIn. I'm going to click here at the bottom, and you'll see that you see this up arrow. Just scrolling so you can see the up arrow. I've got an opportunity here to add tweet to bookmarks. So I'm going to add it to bookmarks. So it says tweet is already added in my bookmarks. That's because I did that earlier in preparation for this video. Let's go to bookmarks. Okay, we're in bookmarks now. If I want to remove that tweet, I can click there again, remove tweet from bookmarks. Now, that's how simple it is to add a tweet to bookmarks. Perhaps the bigger question is, why would you do this? Now, I'm going to answer this from the perspective of a B2B business owner or somebody who's got an organization, maybe a charity, or if not a business, to promote. Twitter is a platform with content turning over on a ever-revolving basis. So it may be that you find a tweet like this, and I've found that using this tweet as an example, but my audience is B2B business owners, marketing professionals who are responsible for B2B businesses. That's my primary audience. These people are more active on Twitter during 3 periods in the day. So that may be between sort of 7 and 9 on the way to work, 7 and 9 a.m. Around the lunch period, which traditionally we'd say is 1 o'clock. Obviously there's flexible working nowadays, but the peak would be around 1 o'clock. And then on the way home from work, so that might be 5:30 to 7:30. Those may be the peak periods. So although you can obviously tweet at any time during the day or night, those are the peak periods. Those are the times when you're likely to get the most impact and the most reach for your tweets. So the importance of bookmarking must be seen in that context. You can find something that you think is relevant for your target audience, bookmark it, and later on, when you're in one of those peak periods, whether that's morning, lunchtime, or evening, you can recover the tweet. So here it is, and I could tweet it now. And because I'm outside of those peak periods, I'm not going to tweet that now, but once I'm in one of those peak periods for impact and reach for my tweets, I will then either retweet it with some comments or hashtags during the peak period. And in this way, you can prepare your future tweets or retweets for your accounts, the accounts that you're responsible for, without using a scheduling tool. Now, as a professional social media manager and content creator, I use scheduling tools to manage all the Twitter accounts that I'm responsible for. But if you don't, or if you only have one account, this is a very efficient way of running your Twitter account. You bookmark relevant tweets that aren't from yourself, and you need to do that as a part of your content strategy for Twitter, because you need to be engaging with people as well as broadcasting your own blogs, videos, etc. You can't just broadcast. You need to engage with people, and you need to respond to tweets on your timeline. So I would recommend that if you're not doing already, you start to use the bookmarks feature, which was introduced over a year ago by Twitter. Start to use the bookmark feature to save tweets that you can then distribute, retweet, comment upon during the peak periods. This will make your activity on Twitter far more effective than it has been. This is just a short video to demonstrate how to use Twitter bookmarks and also why you should use Twitter bookmarks. Hope you've found this enjoyable and useful. If you've not subscribed already, click on one of the 2 screenshots to watch another video from me. And if you've liked this video, give me a like. I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.